in every activity, there are laws which regulate how we behave, how we conduct ourselves. The same applies if you call operators. You know, it's said, honorable ministers, we are for Harare alone, we have close to 16,000 combis, but only 2,500, let's say 3,000, are registered. The rest are playing hide and seek below. Yet the government is putting in place regulatory mechanisms to assist people to get into business. They don't want. They want to take money, put it in the pocket, no safety for the Zimbabweans, no compliance, roads need to be maintained. Police officers need to be paid by the government. Where is the money coming from? The next thing you say, government is not providing a service. What contribution have you made? So, first and foremost, all combis must be registered. And the combi operators must lead by example in their operations by being responsible Zimbabweans.